Yo, what up? How's it going, friends? So today you want to learn how you can remove the search icon or the search bar from your Shopify Studio theme. And I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you can remove it. And it's going to look just like this. And by the time you're done, you will be able to also do this. Now let's get straight to the video tutorial. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come here to your online store, okay? And you want to come to themes right like this. And I'm sure that your studio theme is already activated or added to your theme. So you want to just have it activated and added, and you come here to customize. And the moment you come to customize, you're going to land on a page just like this, all right? And the next thing you want to do is, I'm going to be teaching you two to three tricks here that will possibly work for you, okay? Everything might even work. So now the first method I'm going to use is the base method. And what we want to do now is to click on this icon that is at the top like this, okay? This three dotted line. And you want to click on edit code. Now, don't fidget. I know some of you might be like, oh, I don't know about code. Don't worry. It's just copy paste. And the next thing is you want to come here to this page like this doc file, which I'm going to be giving to you actually in the video description. Okay, I'm going to give that to you. And you want to go ahead and copy this code that says to hide it using base. Okay. And okay, this one is still loading. And now you want to come to the editor like this. Okay, it has loaded. And right here, you're going to come here to Explorer, come to Studio, drop down, click on Assets. And you want to click on this base.css. And you want to scroll down. Okay, you want to go down, 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 baby. Okay, you want to go down to the last part. Okay. And right here, you want to paste the code. All right. And the next thing is you want to go ahead and save it. Okay, click on save. And if we should go back now, you can see that the icon is gone. All right, it's gone already. All right, so this is exactly how you can remove your Shopify, your search bar in the studio theme using this method. Okay, but let's say you're not, maybe you don't want to use the base method because you are a bit scared of you're tampering with your edit code and all that. It's fine. Okay, you can use the second method which I have for you. All right. And that is using the custom method. Okay. And before I go ahead and teach you how to use the second and third method, actually, please try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel and, join this family and help me to take this channel to at least 10,000 subscribers. That is my goal. And I believe I can achieve that through you guys, assistance and help. So please try as much as possible to hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. Now let's get straight back to the second method. And what I want to do now is at first, I'm going to first remove this code here, this one, to make it come back to, get the search bar back. Okay, so it's now back again. Okay, so if you want to, you can just remove it that way and it's going to be back. So now what I want to do is I'm going to click on this header. Okay, and once I click on header, you can see that there is no icon to toggle search here. So everything is going to be in this interface. Okay, so you don't have to edit any code. All right, so what you're going to do is just to come here to this custom CSS, and I'm going to give you a text that you're going to paste right here. Okay, so what you want to do is to come back. So what you want to do is to come back here to this doc file, all right, which I'm going to be giving to you guys. And you want to go ahead and copy this, all right, that says to remove using CS. So you just copy and paste, that is all, and you're good to go. So you're going to go ahead now and paste. And the moment you paste, you can see it's gone, all right. So someone type it's gone in the comment section, okay? Type it's gone. So right here, it's gone. As you can see, the search bar is gone, all right? So this is exactly how you can do this using the custom CSS method, all right? I'm going to give you a bonus method also because some people might be like, okay, I still don't want to post in the custom CSS, maybe due to one reason, maybe you already have some code there before and you don't want to tamper with any code and all that. It's fine. Okay, there is a way that you don't even need to tamper with any code again. So if you are cool with this, you can just go ahead, click on save, and you can have a nice day. All right, but however, if you don't want to do this, you can go ahead and come back here, all right, to this header section. Okay, and by the way, if you want to learn how you can remove all this card icon and all these icons, you can check out my channel. I've got a lot of tutorials on how you can remove all these ones also. Okay, this card and this one. Okay, so now let's go ahead and click on add section. Okay, let me first click on add block. Okay, no, click on add section. I want to click on custom liquid. Okay, and once we click on custom liquid, we want to click on custom liquid again and want to paste something here. So right here, we're going to scroll down again, still the same doc. You can see I have everything ready for you guys because of the love that I have for you guys. I want to copy this. I want to come back here and we paste. All right. And now the search bar is gone again. All right. So you can see it's gone. So this is exactly how you can remove the search bar, the search icon from your Shopify Studio theme using the 3 tricks that I have for you. And if this video has been helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I drop video tutorials like this for you guys. I drop video tutorials almost every single day, and I drop a whole lot of tutorials and a lot of how-to tutorials for you guys on how you can make Shopify easy for yourself. So please go ahead, subscribe, and God bless you. All right. So that is it for now. And also, even if you don't want to subscribe and like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people, just click the thumbs up button below, and YouTube can recommend it to a lot of people who will need something just like this. I'll see you in another video tutorial. Peace and have a nice day ahead. And please take care of yourself and take care of your health as you're struggling to make money online. Try as much as possible to also, have a nice and good health. All right. Take care. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.